मेरे साथ है गिल्टी की स्टार कास्ट। वेलकम टू E24।
थैंक यू।
आकांक्षा, सबसे पहले आपसे शुरू करूंगी। जब मैं आपका इंस्टा बायो पहले देखती थी, यू सेड आई विल एक्ट एंड ऑल बट व्हाटएवर या इट्स स्टिल देयर, बट नाउ यू सेड नाउ समटाइम्स आई एक्ट इन मूवीज। तो आपको काफ़ी टाइम से आई गेस एक्टिंग करने का मन होगा, तो थोड़ा टाइम क्यों लग गया? व्हाई वाज इट लाइक नाउ?
आप ये बिल्कुल मेरे पे नहीं था टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट। मेरे को एक्टिंग करनी थी सिंस आई वाज अ किड, और वो दैट इंक्लिंग गॉट सेटिस्फाइड बिकॉज मैं स्कूल में प्लेस करती थी। आई वाज ऑलवेज एक्टिंग इंटर स्कूल, इंटर हाउस, एक्टिंग क्लासेस, डांस क्लासेस, तो आई वाज सेटिस्फाइड। पोस्ट स्कूल आई रियलाइज कॉलेज ओके ठीक है, आई कैन डू दिस एज अ प्रोफेशन, एंड मैं एक्टिंग स्कूल में गए, 2 साल हो गए, और उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड ऑडिशनिंग इंस्टेंटली। आई स्टार्टेड ऑडिशनिंग some 5-6 years ago. I've done a song. I started working properly. I was, of course, ready only 2 years ago, I feel. Obviously, no one else felt so. Or it's just timing, yeah. This happened when it happened. Either there were some things I wanted before which I didn't get, or there were other things that were offered to me, and I thought maybe I should wait a little longer. And I think it all worked out for.
सच्ची बताइए कि आपको थोड़ा बहुत लॉ पढ़ना पड़ा, बिकॉज यू लाइक हाउ मच डिड यू स्टडी?
नहीं, हम सारे मेथड में थे इसमें, बिकॉज हमने बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी किया था इस पे प्रेप। रुचि नारायण जो हमारी डायरेक्टर है, बड़ी प्रॉपर है। हमने 2 महीने लगाए। हमने सारे जो स्क्रिप्ट में सीन्स थे, हमने एक दूसरे के साथ कम से कम 5 बार किए हुए थे बिफोर वी इवन डिड द वर्कशॉप। तो पहले रीडिंग्स हुई, ईच ऑफ अस वर गिवन सेपरेट टास्क। जैसे कियारा ने अलग किया था, गुरफती डिड हिज ओन थिंग, तन्नू को भी तन्नू बनाया गया कांची टू वर्क विद मी। जो रुचि के कज़न है साजन नारायण करके, ही इज़ अ बिग लॉयर इन दिल्ली। मैं उनके साथ बहुत क्लोजली काम किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें पढ़ी, स्पेशली इस मुद्दे के बारे में, बिकॉज दीज आर फिल्म। जैसे भी आप एक यू ऑलवेज ट्राई टू मेक अ फिल्म फन एंड एंटरटेनिंग, बट अल्टीमेटली इसमें बड़े सीरियस मुद्दे हैं। जैसे एक अगर असॉल्ट की बात करें आप, या मी टू की बात करें, सारे पहलू है इस पिक्चर के, तो वो सबको स्टडी करना पड़ा। और मेरे लिए एक्साइटिंग इसलिए था कि मुझे हमेशा से लॉयर प्ले करना था। लाइक आई लव प्लेइंग कैरेक्टर्स जनरली आल्सो।
Akansha, you have been best friends with Alia, everybody knows, and you know that people will ask you questions ki how was her reaction and about her. Does it somehow thoda bother you, because it's like thoda bahut like stealing your limelight or thunder?
No,
like,
not in 100 years. No. But it's like people misunderstand. It's like, would someone say that about their own sister or mom? Like, let's just take a father-daughter example in the industry. Give me one. Someone who Sunil Shetty and Athiya Shetty. I'm just thinking wildly. It's like, oh my God, Amitabh sir and whatever Abhishek. Oh, are you tired of being his son? No, right? Like, of course he's my so of course she's my sister. Like, at what point will I ever say, oh my God? And at the end, she has done so goddamn well for herself for the last 7 years. The limelight is hers, so she can have it. But I mean, she's well deservingly hers, and I've always supported her. And now I'm doing my first film, and she's supporting me. So.
but did you ever feel, because हम लोग जैसे आप दोनों सेम एज के हैं, it happens with everybody, not that you are jealous of somebody, but sometimes you feel कि यार उसका टाइम आ गया, काश मेरा भी आ जाता, because you are so close and you're growing together, and everybody like you both are doing things together that way.
So it's funny because I remember before people used to be like, oh my God, shit, they both wanted to be actors since they're kids, and now Ali's married. Do you think Kanchi? But then, like that, I would be the most depressed person in the world if I had to be insecure of the people who are the closest to me. We both knew since we were 5 years old, 1 year old, we wanted to be actors, and like whoever reached first, we were so excited, whoever it was, and then we would just share stories. Like, I remember student ka trailer pe, I was there crying. I was crying so much, I walked from PVR to her house, 10 minutes just crying, okay? And then like, it's so cute because like after first year, okay, Kanch, this happens, okay, that happens, okay, listen, this shouldn't happen, that. We're constantly just like telling each other and prepping each other for what's to come, and like, because it's exciting for both, because, I mean, that's not how we function, at least. I don't think
That's how real friendships are.
Yeah, I can't speak for others, but for me, us, it's never been like that.
How did you get this film?
I tested. My managers called me and said, okay, there's a test for a dramatic film. No, I don't even think dramatic was out there, for a Netflix film. And I said, oh, amazing, da. I tested. It's funny, like, so every other film, if you test for 1 month, it's going back and forth. Acha, abhi shortlist hua hai, abhi call karega. This 5 din mein shortlist ho gaya. So I said, okay, great, abhi pata karo. And that's when I found out it's dramatic. I had met Somain for a meeting, who's the head of the dramatic, and he's saying, okay, we'll see, whatever. And then one day I just got a call saying you have a second test and go to the office. I went to the office thinking it's a test, but I was Ruchi told me I had the film.
हमसे बात करने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. All the best for Guilty.
Thank you.